Hello, good day, everybody. I wanted to show you how to load an application when you're in Canvas in order to support your students. Today, the application that I'm going to load and demonstrate for you happens to be Flipgrid. A lot of people have asked for that, so I thought I'd make a simple video to help support all of you. I'm going to go ahead and start by sharing my screen. So hopefully, by doing so, you see the imrsd.instructure.com opening page. Since I have everything pretty much populated, I'm going to go ahead and log in. So there's my email address, and then my password automatically populates. And so when I first enter Canvas, this is what I see. I see my dashboard. So I know I want to do something really simple for you. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit the icon to the left over here, which says start a new course. So that way we can only focus on uploading Flipgrid. All right, so I'm just going to simply name this course demonstration to support all of you. And so I'm going to type that in. Yep, demonstration. So go ahead and create the course. And that should bring me to this page where I have this availability to go ahead and create my module now. So I'm going to go ahead and create the module. And I'm going to name that module, again, like I said, demonstration for teachers. All right, I'm going to add that module so that way I have that overarching umbrella where I'm going to start to build out my module. In order to build out the module, you just continue to click each time that you want to add an assignment, a quiz, a test, or a discussion board. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to click on that plus sign right there. And so what you see is I have the opportunity to create an assignment. But because I want to just simply upload Flipgrid and support students in that way, I'm going to go ahead and click on this down arrow right here. And you see that there's an external tool. All right, so I'm going to click on the external tool, and I have all of these apps already available for me in order to upload. But I see that I don't have Flipgrid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click out of there, and I'm going to see if I can add Flipgrid to my list of apps. So I go down to settings on the left-hand side here, click settings, and that should bring me this page where I see that applications are here and available, and a whole slew of applications should pop up. That is the case. I can scroll down and I could find Flipgrid. Looks like it's in alphabetical order, but in this case, I just want to filter out by name. So I'm going to put Flipgrid here and see if it shows up. It does. Okay, so I want to add this app. So I just simply clicked on the Flipgrid icon, and now I see that I have the opportunity to add the app and make it available in order for me to go and upload it into my module. So I'm going to click on it, but you're going to notice that it doesn't automatically just add. You need a consumer key, and you also need a shared secret key. So I already have a tab open up here on my toolbar. And so I'm going to go ahead and go to my Flipgrid. I already developed an account for myself, an educator account. It's really easy and it's free. And I'm going to go ahead and show you right now how to go ahead and find that secret code and consumer key. So you see this icon right here with these sunglasses. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and it's going to show me integration. So I want to click on integration, and there it is. It's going to give me, because I want to go ahead and make sure that I could coordinate this application with Canvas, it's going to automatically give me the consumer key and the shared secret. So I'm going to copy that and then go back over to Canvas, and I'm going to put the consumer key code in simply by, I already copied it, I'm pushing Command and the letter C on my keyboard, and it automatically populates, and you'll see that you also need the shared secret. So I'm going to go back to Flipgrid, and I see that shared secret is here too. All right, I'm going to go ahead and copy that, go back over to Canvas, and I'm going to go ahead and push Command and C. Oh, it didn't work, so I'm going to go back over, see if I can copy it again. Get back here, There, it populated that time. So I'm going to go ahead and add this application, and I'm going to hit this blue icon that says Add App. All right, so it looks like the application has been installed and it's been added. Now I'm going to go back to my module. Yep, by hitting the home key, it took me back to the module, and I'm going to go ahead and add. And I'm going to name this. Oh, actually, I don't want to add a module. What I want to do is I want to go back and I just want to go ahead and add the tool. So I'm going to click on this right here. Sorry if I misled you, but I'm going to go ahead and click on this plus button right here because I already have the demonstration for teachers. So I'll click on that. And what I wanted to do is drop down here and get the external tool, which was the application Flipgrid. So let's see, there it is, Flipgrid's available. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on that. All right, and I'm gonna add the item. And there it is, you see it, Flipgrid is now available for students. And I can go ahead and click on it to see if it actually opens the page. So I'm waiting for a second. Let's see. Yes, we did that. Exactly what we wanted to do. There we are. There's the demonstration. And then there's the join code for students. So students could actually click that join code right there. And they're actually going to be able to interact with Flipgrid. I'm going to go ahead and simply click this pencil right here because there is a step that you have to do take in order for your students to interact with this application. As the teacher that is assigning this, you need to go in and make sure that this button right here is clicked. Some of you might have this button that is not clicked like that, all right? But you need to click this button, all right? And if the students are requested for a password when they log in, their password is their lunch number at rsd.k12.az.us. So I just wanted to let you know that that is their password if it asks for their password, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and go back, and I'm gonna go back to the home page and just simply show you that it was as easy as that. And again, if you're looking to do this, just to reiterate, it is this key right here, which is the plus sign. Hit that, the down arrow, and you want to go get the external tool to grab your application to upload it. I hope this has been helpful for you. If not, you can always email me at richard.ramos@rsd.k12.az.us. And then also you can call me at 623-703-1793. But I just wanted to put this simple video for you together for you so that way you could get some support with adding applications like Flipgrid. All right, thank you so much.